Hello, today we will guide you through how to use TikTok template in CapCut on PC. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer. Make sure the app has fully loaded so all editing tools and menu options are available. If this is your first time using CapCut on PC, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the main layout. You'll usually see the editing workspace, the media area, and the timeline near the bottom, which is where your project will come together. Once CapCut is open, go to the top of the interface and click on Template. This section is where CapCut stores ready-made formats that you can use to speed up your editing process. Templates are especially helpful if you want a polished TikTok-style video without having to build every transition and effect manually from scratch. After opening the template section, use the search area to look for a TikTok template. Type in your search term carefully so you can quickly find the style you want. Depending on what appears, you may see several options with different looks, pacing, and visual effects. Take a brief moment to choose the one that best matches the kind of video you want to create. When you found the template you want to use, add it to your project. You can do this by clicking the Add icon or by dragging the template directly onto the timeline. Both methods work, so use whichever feels more natural. The timeline is where the template becomes part of your edit, and placing it there allows you to begin customizing it. Next, click on the template once it appears in the timeline. This is an important step because it activates the template and brings up the controls connected to it. If you don't select it first, some editing options may not appear, so make sure the template is highlighted before moving on. After that, click on the Replace icon. This is the tool you'll use to upload your own video clips or pictures, or to swap out any existing media already connected to the template. Once you click Replace, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. CapCut may guide you through choosing files from your computer and placing them into the correct spots in the template. As you do this, try to use media that fits the style and timing of the template for the best results. Once your clips or images are in place, review the preview to make sure everything looks right. That's how to use a TikTok template in CapCut on PC.